The Samsung Galaxy S24 series, comprising the S24, S24 Plus, and the S24 Ultra, has made significant strides in display technology. One of the key highlights is the peak brightness of these displays, reaching up to an impressive 2600 nits. This enhancement not only provides brighter screens but also improves energy efficiency. Moreover, the S24 and S24 Plus feature sophisticated LTPO panels that allow the screen refresh rate to drop to a very low 1 Hz, conserving energy while maintaining screen responsiveness. Additionally, there's an intriguing aspect about the PM refresh rate of these devices. The Galaxy S24 series boasts a PM refresh rate of 492 Hz, which is considerably higher than the rate in the previous Galaxy S23 series and even surpasses the iPhone 15 Pro and Pixel 8 in this aspect. Pulse width modulation (PWM) is a technique used in LED screens to control brightness. While it helps in regulating brightness levels, it can create a banding effect, especially at lower brightness levels. A higher PM refresh rate, like the one in the Galaxy S24 series, aims to mitigate this issue, potentially reducing eye strain and improving visual comfort for users, especially those sensitive to such banding effects. Furthermore, the S24 Plus has received a resolution boost to QHD+, offering even sharper and clearer visuals. These advancements in the display technology of the Galaxy S24 series indicate Samsung's commitment to providing a superior visual experience to its users. For more detailed insights into these features and the overall performance of the Galaxy S24 series, it's best to refer to expert reviews and technology news platforms.